Welcome to another edition of Skincare Sunday. Today I'm going to be talking about hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is the only FDA-approved skin lightening cream. It is naturally found in berries, coffee, and tea, and it can be very effective when used properly, and it can be very dangerous when used improperly. You can find it in percentages of 2% or less in over-the-counter products, and anything above a 2% is considered medical grade and does have to be purchased from a medical doctor. At One Agora, we have the Revaskin Reva Peel Enlighten, which you've heard myself and my coworker Ashley talk about quite a bit because it is our favorite peel that we have. The peel itself is a mask of a 6% hydroquinone that is left on the skin for 8 to 12 hours. After that, you are sent home with a set of skincare products. One of those is a 4% hydroquinone that you use both morning and night, so 2 times a day. Once you finish that, you want to pick up the 2%, which is what I'm currently using this once a day. And once you finish this, you want to drop down to a vitamin C. You want to gradually wean yourself off of use of hydroquinone because if you stop using it cold turkey, the pigment can come back worse than it was before. That is a typical regimen for the use of hydroquinone. Now, if you are using hydroquinone and you don't take a break from it, you could end up developing ochronosis, which is a bluish black tint to the skin. Most common in African Americans, but it can happen to anyone. So you have to take a break from using the hydroquinone. You can do 6 weeks on, 6 weeks off, 3 months on, 3 months off, whatever it is, you need to take a break. So if you're using a hydroquinone, you want to make sure that it's under the advice of someone who is familiar with the product and how it should be used. It can be a controversial ingredient because it was shown to be a carcinogen in lab rats. However, that has not been proven true in humans. I'm not sure how much studies have been done on humans to prove that theory wrong, but just throwing it out there so you kind of know what to expect with that. So you cannot use it while being pregnant or breastfeeding. If you are using it, it is common to have some burning, tingling sensations. You can also develop dermatitis from it. If that happens, you do want to stop usage. Hydroquinone works by stopping the enzyme that produces melanin and also breaking down the enzymes within the melanocyte, which is the cell that produces melanin. So it works by stopping further pigmentation and also breaking down the pigmentation that you have. Results are seen after about 4 weeks of use, and you want to make sure that you're not using any hydrogen peroxide or benzoyl peroxide along with the use of hydroquinone. If you have any pigment concerns, whether it's melasma or sun damage or anything like that, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, hydroquinone is an amazing product that can help you reach your goals really quickly. If you have any questions about the product or about the Enlighten Peel that we offer at One Agora, feel free to comment below and I would be happy to answer any questions that you have. I hope you guys have a great Sunday and we'll see you next week.